indicated that you resigned, but there was an assertion that you had been forced to resign. From what you have said, it looks like circumstances around the calls for demonstrations and calls for your resignation is what made you resign, and you have asserted that you resigned to save the country from bloodshed and people dying in your name. My third question to you, Commissioner Cherera, you say you spoke on behalf, and you have rightly put it, the four of you are Christian, the Cherera four. Maybe Kenyans liked you more than, liked your face more than, because you are more on TV, being in charge of communication, and that's why they were Christian, the Cherera four. But, is she still there? Yes, she is. Okay. But you have asserted that you would communicate on behalf of the commission. You have both asserted that you did not see any Form 34C. You did not tally. But Commissioner Cherera, I do remember you somewhere around Serena announcing results. What results were you announcing? Where did that tally come from, if you were not involved in any tally? And why did you not adduce that evidence before the Supreme Court? And as I said, we are not litigating the Supreme Court again. But why did you not adduce evidence before the Supreme Court that not a single 34C was seen by yourselves? You did not adduce any single form that differed from the forms that were on the portal. The Supreme Court verified those results that were in the portal. And you did not, why did you not then, did you not trust, because there are things you are saying you cannot tell us, did you not also trust the Supreme Court of this Republic?
Thank you, Chair. I can come back. Thank you, Chair. Then,
Baby Masit can go first.
Yeah, because mine are few. Thank you, Chairman. One, I want to say for record that I'm strengthened. Actually, before I resigned, and that one, it's on record in my case in court, and my lawyer is aware. My lawyer is Donald Kikori, and I think if you want to hear more, maybe you can invite him to shed more light, because that is in court. But I was threatened that time, that one I said, but this one, it was urgent. I could not do it because I could not report, because people followed me. I ignored for some time, but that night on Saturday, going to Sunday morning, people came to around my gate, and I had to sneak actually with fight. I was still the back door gate, took a motorbike, went to, let me disclose the committee in confidence, went to Manaya because I could not trust them.
Commissioner.
Mm-hmm. Yes. Yes.
I'll just beg you answer the question straight up. Did you report to the police? Because that was more of the direct question. Or you reported to your lawyer, Donald Kipkorir?
She's still online.
Are you still online? Yes. She has muted the mic.
Are you hearing me? I'm on the line.
Yeah, we were pleading.
Yes.
Instead of narrating the circumstances, the question was rather direct as to whether you reported specific threats to the police,
yes,
other than to your lawyer.
The police. I reported to the lawyer, the first one, but the second one I didn't have time, because those people were closing in on me, and the only thing was to take a motorbike to the airport with my passport.
So the straight answer is that you never reported to the police.
And left the country that night.
You never reported to the police, you reported to lawyer Donald Kipkorir?
No, there were two threats. The first one is to the lawyer, because I was still in the country. The second one, when I left the country, it was at night. I took a motorbike to the airport, paid cash, and I was the last one in the manifest, and I left that night. I didn't have even time to report because I was saving my life that time.
So you did not report to the police?
Yes, I didn't report that one when I was leaving.
Because
I told my
the incident, let me get it right, Commissioner, the incident happened at night?
Yes.
You took a motorbike at night
At night.
to the airport.
I left the country at night.
You left the country at night, meaning
Yes.
you also got the ticket at night, and a plane was waiting for you at night. Okay.
That night around, yes, late night.
You had a ticket
And I
ready,
was, I think, the last one.
with a ticket ready for an international flight.
I caught it. I had to get a connection from Kenya to Amsterdam, because that time I didn't have an invitation to US where I am. I had a ticket for Canada. I had a visa for Canada and US, but for Canada.
Commissioner Masit, I'm asking another very direct question to you.
Canada.
Commissioner Masit, I am asking another very direct question to you.
Yes.
An incident happened at night. You took a border at night,
No, night. The incident happened of night of Saturday.
Saturday night.
Okay.
And you,
Saturday night. Then I disappeared on Saturday night.
the same
Went to
night.
a colleague's place. Hello? And stayed there to organize for a ticket on Sunday night.
So you left on Sunday night.
Sunday night, yes. Because I had to get cash to have it paid, and I had to get somebody to do it, not
Maybe
to do it, but I was with a person at the airport.
that's good enough. I'm sorry, I'm pushing you. I'm just trying to save time.
Yes.
Maybe Honorable Commissioner Cherera can answer the other questions.
Finally, before I finish, Chair, allow me just to say thank you to Honorable Ichungwa. He's my hearmate at the University of Nairobi. When I was doing law, I was doing here, and then I went to do law later. That's the reason why I could not resign, because the truth has to come out. Somebody has to stand for my colleagues.